How to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. So first is you have to go to your Messenger application. Now before we really start, is Facebook and Messenger are actually connected. So if you turn off the Messenger on Facebook, you can't actually see if that person is online. So you can see the person is online via Messenger. So we have to turn off the active status on Messenger more importantly. So, first is we are directed here to our chats, to all the conversations that we had. And then on the upper left, you will see the three dash lines. You tap on that and go to settings here. Now, under settings, you will see the active status. So, as you can see, it is currently turned on. So, you have to tap on that and then just turn everything off. So, show when you're active. So, let's say until I change it, or you can actually customize it. So you want to turn off your active status so people won't be able to contact you for just 8 hours, and then you can actually set it up for 8 hours. Now let's just tap on for 1 hour here and then pause. So the people won't be able to see if you are online, so you will appear offline to them. Now here, show when you're active together. So your friends and connections can see when you're active together on Messenger. Now you'll be able to see when they're active together. For example, they may see when you're active together in the same chat. You will now show as offline to everyone. So basically, that is how you turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. So if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Messenger application to your Play Store. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.